So we move to summary. Write a brief summary describing your profession, background, and aspiration. A brief summary. Let's come to this accountant over here. I'm an accountant. I must say, accounting is very interesting profession that I've been enjoying in the past few 16 years. I'm a first class graduate of accounting, and not just that, I'm the only one graduated with first class in my department that year. Oh yes, wow. I love figures, and that was why I followed my dream to becoming an accountant. Right. So this is about you. You want to talk about everything about you, what you've achieved in summary, what you do in summary, and what you've achieved as a professional, the award you've achieved, and lots more. So it's this is where you will write your about. So let's look at my own profile. If you check my home profile, assistant with 3 years experience, excel in providing exceptional organizational assistance, especially skilled with handling multiple tasks effectively by using administrative tools like Google Workspace and project management tools like Trello and Asana. Currently pursuing business administration degree in Olabisi Onabanjo. So this deals with my own about, but then this is not comprehensive enough. I want to change it. So what we do is you copy it and we come to ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT, chat this 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 is my bio. Help me refine it according to my headline. So right, then click on continue and then Ctrl V. So we find bio. I'm a business administration student at Olabisi Onabanjo University with over 3 years of experience as an executive assistant, providing top-level support in administrative operational executive. In addition to my administrative background, I serve as a copywriting coach, helping students and young professionals turn their words into income and influence, equipping others with high income. So what I'll do is I'll just copy it.
Absolutely.
Copy. Come to my bio and paste. Ctrl V. Paste it, and then I'll do some editing there. Right. So look at this. So start from here. I'll delete this part and do some editing in business. Okay. Alright, so that says it about that. Then after that, we have the sales section, the skill section, where you add multiple skill. This is where you add skill, maximum of 5. You click on add and then you add. These are my top 5 skills: sales, communication, project management, administration, digital marketing. I'm going to remove this project management and add copywriting. You see that? Right, so save it. Then I save it. Tell us more about this top skill and how you are. Tell us where you put this skill to use. Yeah, I put it in Olabisi Onabanjo. Yeah, I did that. Yes, sales masterclass. And also in this, I also built a university GPA a calculator built in Excel. Save. Alright, so it saves it automatically and then done. That's wonderful. So this is my about section. This is it. You can see everything about it. Right, so that's our about section and skills. So let's go to the next part. Your experience, education, skills and expertise. That's where it comes down. This is the post section where you have the post, comments, images, post, comment, and this is my posts. Today's post 4 hours ago. And if you want to create posts, you just click on create post and then you post whatever you want to post here. So let's cancel it, and then the experience, those experience you've had. Remember I said induction chairman, volunteer at innovative summit, office assistant, sales rep, and also your education. Add it here. You had your education, Olabisi Onabanjo University, your university, your bachelor degree upward, and also certification, ELX assistant, project management, where I learned project management, where I learned assistant, and this is the media. So, and if you want to add your certificate, you click on this place, you click the name, organization, month, year, expire date. Some expire and require for you to renew it, and then you add the skill and the image here. You add the image of the certification and then you click on save. So I'm not adding any. I've added this one is where I learned SQL and I obtained this certificate over here, right? And then seven other licenses and certificates. Look at them. So this one, my copywriting certificates. Alright, so that's what you want to do there, and then you go back. After that, we have project you've worked. Remember I said I built a GPA calculator, right? A GPA calculator using Excel. So this is it. I had a couple of the image there, right? And the image. Right, so all you just need to do in this GPA calculator is you just impute your courses here and the units and grade and the score you had. Then it calculates your GPA and everything. Okay, so that's about the GPA calculator, right? And your skill, critical skill, you can add lots of skill, right? A lot of skill. If you want to add skill, you come over here. Skill is very important for people to see what you're doing basically. You click on skill and then you add the skill you want to add. Leadership, and show us where you use the skill. I use it as my role in induction chairman. I also use it as high income skill, and also I'll save it, and then LinkedIn will automatically save it up for me. And then your interests. These are some of the interests I listen to, people I listen to, and company group, newsletter, and all. There are also other add profile section. You will see this add profile section. This is where you can add other things. You add profile section. When you click on it, it's either you want to add education or position or services or add career, or you want to add skill. Recommendation. These are when people talked about you. This for example, you can ask for people to recommend you. Who would you want to ask? I want to ask Olaide to recommend me. Continue. Relationship with Olaide. we were students together, right? Position at the time, we were just students at Olambisi Nabia. Hi Olamide, I would like for you to record, I will write for me a recommendation. But here's what we want to do about this recommendation letter. We want to tell chat to help us craft a recommendation letter. Okay, help me craft. We come over to chat. Remember, we've not left chat. We are still moving between chat and LinkedIn. Help me craft a recommendation letter to Olaide asking her to rate my skills and impact towards her and others, and towards and help me. So we want to help me craft a recommendation letter to Olaide asking her to rate my competencies, skills, and impact towards her and others. So I just clicked on that. So chat will help me write a recommendation letter. See, dear Olaide, I hope this message meets you well. I'm reaching out to kindly request a brief recommendation or feedback from you regarding the time we've worked together and interacted together. Your perspective means a lot to me, and I would truly appreciate it if you could share a few thoughts on my competence, skills, and impacts I may have had both in relation to you and possibly others within your network. If you are able to highlight areas such as my communication or collaborative skill, any support, any other professional growth you observe, that would be extremely helpful as I continue building my service and one regard, blah blah blah. But then this is too long. Right? You're going to tell chat for LinkedIn recommendation. So I hope you're meeting. I'm currently working on strengthening my LinkedIn profile, and I would really appreciate it if you could write a short recommendation based on your experience working or interacting with me. If possible, highlight areas such as my competency and ability to deliver results, the skill, communication, leadership, copywriting, organization, any impact I've had on you or others around, whether through a project, mentoring, training, or collaboration, your word domain, and then you just click on that, copy it, and then refine it. So you go back to my profile. I'll go back to my profile. Go back to my profile and then Ctrl A, Ctrl V, paste it, and I'll just do some few editing. Do some few editing over here. Right, so just look through these asterisks, make sure you remove them. So this is the message here. This is the message, and I'm just gonna send it to Olaide. I'll click on send. So it has my request has been sent to Olaide for recommendation. I can also add some other people to recommend me. Add recommendation. Who do I want to ask? Let me ask Victor. Okay, let me ask Favor. So Favor is a data and scientist, social media passionate about. So let me ask her. The same message I sent to Olaide, I'll be sending to her. Favor, she mentored me. Innovative summits. and Control V. Remember about recommendation, Control V. So all I will need to is just change her name, Favor. And then send the recommendation. I send the recommendation. Alright, it has been sent to her. So once they see the message, they'll click on the recommendation. They'll write a recommendation for me. So let's look at this other profile. See a post, 2000 plus posts, featured posts, right? Activity, experience. That's our experience, our education, our licenses, skills, our recommendation. These are recommendations, right? She has 18 plus recommendations, right? So, and if you have honor and award, you can also add it. You add the honor. Where can you add the honor? All you do is come to add profile section, additional. You see honor and award, test score, languages. So those are what you can add. Right? Language, English, French, and so after that, you now move to the creation of content on. So that's all about LinkedIn optimization. So after that, we come to the creation of content. So all you need in creation of content is just come to home and look at the way people post, and then all you want to do is model, breed, sometimes luxury, right? Look at the way they post, study how they post, study the image as well, and also ensure you engage with other people's posts. Right? So that is that about LinkedIn optimization.